Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys. And if you turn the ignition on, you put the key in, turn the ignition on, no lights, nothing guys, the car doesn't start, doesn't crank, anything. We'll explain guys what fuse could cause that. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located and how by replacing that fuse guys, it will fix our problem and the car will be able to start again. So that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, hit that subscribe button, like the video guys, and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful, if it fixed your problem, or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So 2009 Lincoln MKX, let me show you now. If I attempt to put the key in and turn it on, what's going to happen guys. Okay, right here, key, we have lights, so the batteries, it has some juice in it. Nothing guys. So how you fix that now? Okay, let me explain to you quick. Right here guys, if you come down and you come by the pedals, okay, you need to push your brake pedal in, and then right here you have one cover on the side, slide it over, that's where the fuse box is located. Okay, like that. Now the fuse that we're looking at guys, okay, will be this fuse, okay, right here. Okay, that 20 amp fuse guys, this is for the ignition switch. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, you can check out in the description of the video below. We'll have the link guys, the whole kit for very affordable price, so check it out. Now I'll go ahead, get the fuse pull the fuse out. Okay, definitely a burnt fuse. I'll get the new one, push it in. Okay, it's a little bit hard to see here. Perfect. Now let me go ahead and see if that fixed our problem and if the car lights will turn on and everything. Okay, you can see no problem. Now the car doesn't start because the battery is a little bit weak, but everything else works fine guys. So if you have no lights, no power or anything like that when you turn the ignition on, that's what's causing that guys. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.